In 6.2, we're calculating mean, median, and mode, and the weighted average. Mean, median, and mode are just three words that describe the average. Let's look at the first one here. We're supposed to find the median age. Well, median is in the middle of a road, so in other words, we're looking for the middle value. To do so, we're going to arrange the values in order. 25 is the smallest, and it's listed 3 times. 28, 30, 30, and 33. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. We will take the one in the middle, which is right here, so the median is that. If instead there were only 6 values, then we would take the one that's halfway between the middle two. Okay, halfway between 25 and 28, add up 25 and 28 and divide by 2. 25 plus 28 is 53. 53 divided by 2 is 26.5. So that would be the median. Next one. Find the mean. Well, we can add them all up and divide by, in this case, 7. Or we can use our calculator. I'll show you how to do that. Here we go. The first thing we do is we want to get into stat mode. So we're going to go mode. Stats is number 3. And we're going to do one variable stats. And so all we have to do is fill in the chart. 49, that's how old Albert is. 30, Bill. 34, Carl. 27, Darlene. 30, Evelyn. 27, Francis. And 27, Georgia. There are 7 people there. Then we have to press all clear to get back out of that mode. And now we're going to go to the stat display. So shift 1. And we're going to do variable stats. And the one we're doing, X bar, stands for average. So we're going to type 2 equals, and it tells us the average is 32 is the average. Next one. The mode is the one that occurs most often. The way you go about finding the mode is you see which one looks like it's most often. In this case, there are 3 22s, so the mode is 22. Next, calculate the weighted average. Okay, here we go. Calculate Bruce's grade point average. Well, first of all, you have to see what the numerical values are. C is worth 2, A minus is worth 3 1/3, D is worth 1, B plus is worth 3 1/3. And the way you get that is you start with 4, that's an A, 3 is a B, and so on. So 3 1/3 is B plus, 3 2/3 is A minus. Then you multiply those values together. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 2/3. Now shift. There we go. Fraction 3 2/3 times 5. And we get 55/3. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 1/3 times 3. Oops. Shift 3 1/3 times 3 is 10. Now we just add these together. 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 55/3 is 118 over 3. So this sum is 118 over 3. We divide that by the number of credits. They add up to 15, so we're going to take our answer and divide it by 15, and we get 118 over 45. S to D is 2.62222, and so on. So that's how you calculate weighted average.